Good evening.
Yes.
What's your name and what should they call you?
So my name is Muhammad Islam, and you can call me Tamim.
Okay, Tamim, nice to meet you. You're a student or you're working?
So I'm a student.
Very good. Okay, so this is a practice test, speaking practice test for IELTS. Now, this is part 2, cue card option, okay? So
Thanks.
here you go with your cue card. You can write your notes and you have 1.5 minutes to write your note, okay?
Yes, sir.
Here,
Yes,
start. Are you done?
Sir.
Thank you. Can I have the cue card?
Yes, sir.
Okay, start.
Sir, my favorite. I feel so excited, and also I was watching with my friends this exciting match in a big field. After some time, when my team go, then I went to shop to buy some snacks for me and my friends. When the match ends, I went to my home and then I go to sleep. And then in the morning, I go to my friends and we all together gather together and talking about the match. Then I know that my favorite team won the match, and then the experience here.
Okay, very good. Thank you. So, do you play sports every day? Why not?
Uh, I play sports usually in evening time before the sunset. Then I go to home and fresh myself.
Okay, very good. Do you think sports can give you health benefit?
Yes, sir. Because if we play sports every day regularly, so our body muscles fit, and that's so good for our health. It can build our muscles. That's it.
Okay, very good. So, what is your favorite sports and why?
So my favorite sports is football because I can find so much fun, and my almost all friends play this. So I love to play football with my friends.
Very good. In your country, which football team is stronger, the boys' football team or girls?
So I think boys, cause I never seen any girls team play.
Okay. Thank you. That is the end of your speaking test. Okay.